What is up, guys? Back with another video. This is a quick little video because I get a lot of people asking what do I do with the old oil that I take from the vehicles and do oil changes. I'm gonna show you what I do with it. All right, check it out. So this is what I do with it. I put it behind the work truck that I don't use. The work truck, shout out. This is the work truck that I don't really use. So this is what I do with it. It's all right here. This is like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20 to 25 oil changes that I've done in the past month or so. I'm gonna show you right now what I do with it. I'm gonna throw it away. I take it to the recycle place and I just dump it in there, and I mean, they don't charge me at all, they don't pay me, but I'm gonna go ahead and throw it away because it's just there. So let's go ahead and go to the recycle place. I'm gonna show you the process that I do. I just gotta open every single bottle and throw it away, every single one. I just recycle it. So let's go ahead and go to the recycler. Check it out, guys, we're here. We're gonna dump the oil. So let's pull up. Guys, check it out. We already dumped a lot of the oil. Well, we already dumped most of them. Just got this last one. As y'all can see, it's a lot of oil that I come dump every month. I do this like at least once a month. I let them fill up, and when I have like 30 or 20 gallons in the back of the truck, I just go ahead and start dumping. So I gotta throw all these in the back of the big bins. I forgot this one was still good oil. I almost threw it away. That motor oil is good. So all this I'll just go ahead and throw away. So now we just go ahead and dump all these plastic gallons. Let's go ahead and dump them back there. Desigual sponsor. All those I threw away all those plastic bottles, so that was pretty much it. What I do with the old oil. It's just extra work that I have to do to, you know, stay clean and don't dump it in the grass or stuff like that. That's why I charge what I charge, because I have to do stuff like this. I don't just do the oil change and throw it away in some random spot. I go ahead and do this like at least once a month, so that my truck doesn't get like all full of old oil. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick little video of what I do with the old oil. So thanks for watching, and bye.